Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually find the trending products on Alibaba to put on your eBay account and actually sell. One of the major things that you have to keep in mind whenever you start dropshipping is understanding and finding the right product. And in order to find the right product, there is a methodology, a strategy that you need to have. And obviously, if you have a correct strategy and you have the correct methodology in place, that is going to differentiate and give you that competitive advantage in this particular business. Now, obviously, we know there's so many individuals right now that are getting into this business sector that want to start dropshipping and break away from the 9 to 5 and get that financial freedom. So what is it that's going to differentiate you from all the other people that are doing this right now? The main answer to that question is research. You got to find the right product that is definitely gonna sell. And that is the reason why we're creating all these amazing videos for you guys to ensure that you find the right product to sell on your drop shipping account on eBay. Now, I've already gone in great detail and spoken about how you can drop ship on eBay. If you haven't watched that video, head over to our channel and give it a watch. And if you've not subscribed to our channel, subscribe to the channel so you do not miss any of the videos that we're making. The first thing that you need to do is head over to alibaba.com. On alibaba.com, you'll see all the different products that are available. And one of the things that I always mention whenever I come on alibaba.com is that Alibaba is not like AliExpress. Alibaba is not like eBay, and Alibaba is not like Amazon. Alibaba is a different element and a different platform where it cuts out the middleman and you go directly to the manufacturer. You go directly to the supplier. And obviously, this decreases your cost significantly, increasing your profit margins tenfold. And that is the reason why you should always check out the product on alibaba.com. Now, we can clearly see that the new rivals over here that are trending right now are the smartwatches for $15. This drone is actually worth $2.50, and this is trending right now. These are all the top ranking elements that are available, and that is one of the things that you have to keep in mind. You got to check out what is trending right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this particular element over here, the drone, and once we go and check out the drone, we'll be able to see what is happening with it. Now, so what we're going to do is we're going to open this element over here, which is trending right now, which is going to open in the new window. Now, this is the new arrivals, the trending highlights, the popular brand featuring technology. And as we scroll down, we'll see all the different elements in the consumer electronics, which are trending right now. I personally believe that the consumer electronics are the best items that needs to be sold on eBay because the profit margins on this is massive, because this particular element over here, the actual new design drone toy, the P8 Professional, is worth $2.50, but the retail price of just this particular element, this particular product, this particular item is worth $49.99 or even $39.99, giving you a massive profit margin. If you want to go for something smaller, such as a smartwatch, you can clearly see this smartwatch is worth $1.99, and you can easily retail this right now for $19.99 on eBay, and it's gonna get sold. It is as simple, straightforward, and easy as that. So let's open this particular product and go through this product to understand exactly what the dynamics for this is. This is a 2022 Screen Touch i8 Pro Max smartwatch with heart rate, blood pressure as well monitoring. And obviously, the good thing about Alibaba is the fact that you have all this information available. You can see the product, you can understand the product, and you can clearly see for the fact that if you get 2,000 pieces, you can get it for $3.99. You can contact the suppliers, you can chat with them right now, and this is manufactured in China. They already have 186 transactions, and they have actually moved 100,000 of these pieces across different continents and countries. And you can even get customizable logos and customizable packaging as well with this particular element. And you can even get graphic customization if you order more than 1,000 pieces. And that is the reason why I personally personally believe Alibaba is the best place to find amazing products. You get the full information of the product, you get full information about the brand, you get a full information about who is manufacturing it and who is selling it and where it's coming from and how you're going to get it across to your audience. And guys, at the end of the day, you want to find a product that is going to make you millions, and you got to make sure you get a good quality product to ensure that your customers always come back to get more products from you. You can even send them a message by typing it over here, mentioning the quantity that you want, and obviously they will get back in touch with you. Now, once we have selected the trending products that are available, and one of the things that I always mention to anyone and everyone that watches my videos is that make sure that you have a diversified portfolio. Don't stick with one product. You never know what product is going to take out, what is going to grab that attention, what's going to be a very hot seller. And that is the reason why get more products, put them on your eBay to ensure that you always have a diversified portfolio. Once you have selected a product, head over to eBay. On eBay, you need to make an account if you don't have an account. And once you make an account, I need you to click on sell. And once you do that, you'll head over to selling. And this is the Selling Central, where you can start listing an item and finding exactly what you need to sell and how you need to sell it. But before you do that, I want you to check out the Seller Center, where you get the full information about how to get payouts on time, how to sell with confidence, and checking out trending topics and staying in touch with what is happening on eBay. You got to understand the community. You got to understand exactly what's happening. With a number of active eBay buyers worldwide of 135 million, a marketplace with $17.7 billion of transaction and a 70% rate on items that are shipped for free, you can get a piece of this cake. And this is a big cake. And obviously you need to understand the dynamics before you get into the business. And that is the reason why I always make sure that people know the different promotional strategies that you need to have on eBay to know exactly how you're going to sell trending items that you found on Alibaba. You got to show the world that you're up and running on eBay with the fun and free illustrated images to celebrate your seller life on social media and video calls. And the top 5 promotional strategies that you need to have with number 1 is opening an eBay store, with number 2 getting more eyes on your listing by increasing your visibility by optimizing your listing for search engines and promoted listing to create effective ad placements in prominent locations across eBay, and using the Sellers Hub promotion by creating customized discounts and coupons to incentivize buyers to spend more in your stores. And you gotta take advantage of the social media. Millions of people use social media every single day. They share their passion with the world, they connect with what they love, and obviously you can actually harness that power in able to promote your business and get the financial freedom that you've always been dreaming about. And remember guys, go global. Reach for buyers around the world risk-free, because the global shipping program is a great way to expand your market and your sales. And selling across the world is as easy as selling across the town. We live in a global village right now. We have to think globally, but we have to act locally. We need to understand the dynamics and the customer behavior and psychology to understand exactly what we want to do and how you want to do it. And that all comes with understanding Alibaba, and that comes with understanding the trending that needs to be done. That comes with understanding what product that needs to be sold. And when you combine all those elements together, you're able to create a business strategy that not only is successful but scalable at the same time. So if you've not subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family so more people can find out how simple, straightforward, and easy it's to find trending products on Alibaba and then sell them on eBay and get the financial freedom that you always wanted. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.